Want to learn how to market your prayer journal without showing your face? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back, blessed authors. This is Tahira, aka Ty. I am a Christian author and teacher. And in this video, I'm showing you how to use Canva to create faceless content. And you can use this content whether you want to market on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, even TikTok, wherever you would like to do content. And this is a special video request. I had someone ask me, can you show me how to market my prayer journal without using Amazon ads? So I was in the process of actually creating content for my Blessed Author prayer journal. And I thought, let me hit the record button and show you guys how you can do it too. All right, so let's get started. Here are some ways that you can create faceless content for your prayer journal. So one, you do need to log on to your Canva account, which I'm already there. I've already created some, but let me just show you. This one is going to be a reel, and how you would go about doing this is I'm going to actually show you guys how you can get to this button. You want to actually, let's just go ahead and start from scratch. You're going to go to create design, and you're going to hit the Instagram story. That one fits the reel the best. Okay, so now that you have this template here, you are going to, and you see I've already been creating a couple of them, but you want to go ahead and get some text that go along. And a way that you can get text is by using ChatGPT. And so I've already kind of used ChatGPT, and then I would recommend that you just open up another separate Google Doc, and you can modify it and definitely kind of train ChatGPT to do it in your voice. And so, for example, I asked it to give me 7 headlines I can use for Instagram Reels to promote my Blessed Author prayer journal and make the headlines inspiring while also encouraging my audience to purchase my Blessed Author prayer journal. And then these are some of the suggestions that they gave me, and you can totally like modify this, but just for this example, you can just copy and paste, Control C. And I'm just going to walk you guys through how to do this quickly. And so you want to go ahead and add a text box, and you can just pick any text that you would like, and they have multiple ones. You can play around with it, but I'm just going to go with the basic here. You can also like change the color. I usually like to go with my brand colors. I use a lot of blue and yellow. And also you can make a little background effect on it. Let's see. And you can also make this, smaller like that. You can make it bigger. You can also move it around, anywhere you would like. Okay. And then you want to go and look up, for example, I looked up prayer journal because that is what I am trying to promote. And you want to go to elements. Oops, let me try that again. And they have graphics, they have photos, they have videos. Now, a lot of people will choose videos and then drag and drop it here, but I personally like the photos. And I'm just going to show you guys an example of how. Now, one thing you do need to know that if you do not have the pro account, I have Pro, Canva Pro, but if you don't have the pro account, then you can't use the ones, you only can use the free version. So you may have to put in free, but for this example, you're going to just go ahead and make it big and then drop it in there. Now, once you have your background, the way that you're going to make this into a video, because that's what you want to create it for a reel, is you're actually going to click on the heading and go to animate. And once you do that, you could pick any of these to make the image move. And that's how you're going to make it into a video. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys a really cool trick so that you can add all that you have copied into your text and make multiple boxes like this. And so you're going to go to, let's see, apps, put in bulk create, and then you're going to go to enter data manually. Now, you don't need this email bar, so you want to actually delete this column. And then you're going to hit Control V or paste, and it will take all of your text that you are headings that you already copied, hit done. And then you see right here where it says connect data, you're going to go to hit name and then continue. Right here, hit continue, generate 7 designs, and let's see what happens. And so now it has taken all of those and created these beautiful reels for you. Now, if you don't want the same pattern, you can always change these and go to elements and pick a different background photo. Let's go to photos. So it is easy to just swap these out. Let's say you didn't want the same thing. You can delete that and then add in another image. And you got to make it big so it will drop right in there. Oops. Let me do that again. There we go. And you can, like I said, you can take that, move it around, make it smaller. It already has the effect to it. And then when you are ready for it to be a reel, you want to go to the download button. And you do want to download it as an MP4 video. And you can download all of these. Just make sure you hit download pages as separate files. That way it'll make it into a separate reel. And you can also download it one at a time. It's totally up to you. Okay, so that is an example. I had already created some. So let me go and show you guys what I created for my Blessed Author Prayer Journal. So I created about 7 faceless. And what I'm going to do is just rotate these once a week. Okay, another thing you can do is, and I've already started, you can create scriptures. So I love like these water templates. I just really love this. So you can continue to just kind of drop. I just think that's so pretty. So this is actually a video, and it says reminder, and it's kind of like inspirational. But I think instead of the reminder, I want to add a scripture here. And so I already got some scriptures, and let's see if I can find one that's kind of, let's do John 14:27. Peace I leave with you. I like this one. Okay, so I'm going to Control C to copy that. And then I'm going to Control V to drop it right into that. And I may need to make this box a little bit bigger so that my scriptures can fit in there. Okay, so once you finish that, and I already designed one. These are already videos. So all you are going to have to do, and if you like this template, you can literally just duplicate it. You can say, I'm going to duplicate this page, and then I'm just going to change the scripture. Um, and then just go ahead and do as many as you like, and I say change up the scripture and then rotate it, once a week, and change it out. So if you do like create 7 scriptures and you do it once a week, then you have 7 weeks right there. Okay. So another thing you can do for faceless content is you can use your actual book. So I have already created a prayer journal in Canva. And so this is the original one. And what you can do is you can resize it. And there is a button here where it says resize the magic. And right here where it says Instagram post square 1080 by 1080, you can click on that. And I had already did it. So let me show you what it comes out to. And then it will resize it to fit as a post. And I have prayers in my prayer journal. So one of the ways that you can do a faceless content is you can post a prayer, add music to the background. You can also do a voiceover because Instagram allows you to do like the actual audio. And so you're not showing your face, but you're, letting people know you're a real person, because I know a lot of people are using AI. So it's nice to have that personal voice. So if you would, read it, that's another way you can have faceless content. So just use things in your book. And I'm going to be using prayers, and also I have scriptures in my book, whatever it is that you feel like you want to do. Okay. Another thing you can do, this is going to be my last suggestion for faceless content, is to create, this is really popular on Instagram, but carousels. And that's when people can actually swipe through photos. And something that I'm doing and is kind of popular is to offer tips. So you can do tips about whatever your book is about your prayer journal, about anything that has to do with your purpose, or just really be authentic, be who you are. And, create a nice little template. And there's so many. What I love about Canva is you don't have to start from scratch. You literally can, like this one, I just changed it to my brand colors, added my logo. And then, of course, the tips are just things that I already know. But you can literally go to, back to design, put in Instagram posts, look for a template that you like, and modify the color, and then just add in and do a couple of these, over and over, and create a carousel. So I try to, maybe come up with like 3 to 5 tips, and then something that people can, learn from. And then that usually keeps people's attention. And that's a way that you can do some faceless content. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed all of these suggestions. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, comment below if you enjoyed, if this was helpful to you. And I also want to let you guys know that I do help people to self-publish a prayer journal if you feel like God has purposed you to be that. And I have a prayer journal self-publishing bundle, and it gives you 7 essentials you need for Amazon KDP. And it includes my exact Canva templates for my Blessed Author Prayer Journal, which is an 8 by 511. It also has my Shine Prayer Journal, which is a 6 by 9. So you don't have to worry about starting from scratch. You just go in there, go into Canva, modify those templates, and you know that the margins will work and everything you need to upload. Because I know that that's something that a lot of people get, the upload error. So you won't have to worry about that with these templates. I've also done a lot of research for you. I've provided some scripts for you. And as a bonus, you're going to get my Impact to Income ebook. And that's going to teach you how to market your book or go beyond the book if you would like to make more money. And as a thank you for making it to this part of the video, I want to give you guys a special coupon. It is SAVE20, SAVE 20. And if you apply that coupon, you will save $20 off the price of the bundle. And so I hope that that will be a blessing to you guys. And so I just want to remind you, you are a blessed author, whether God has purposed you to write one book or a few books. Thanks for watching. And until next time, live well, love well, and be well.